Our faces are extraordinarily expressive. The philosopher Cicero said that the face is a picture of the mind, and his words are as true today as they were 2,000 years ago. There are some things that, no matter how hard we try, we simply cannot hide. Body language is widely recognized as a means to pick up what another person is thinking. Let's take one example: physical attraction. If someone is attracted to another, it is usually quite obvious. Remember the look that the person of your desire gave you in the local nightclub last week? That probably means you have no chance. The same holds true if someone is completely bored by the person they are talking to, or indeed the article they're reading. Let's take your face right now. It's a mask of intrigue and excitement, right? That's because you're so engrossed in this content. We are all sensitive to these large signals. They can often be difficult to miss. After all, if someone is exceedingly pissed off, it's usually relatively easy to tell. If you have any sort of emotional intelligence, it is anyway. But more subtle emotions can be difficult to read, especially when it comes to attraction. Understanding the individual signals that build into an overall message of attraction or boredom or any other social reaction is a much more refined skill. But it is an essential one that can alert you to what is going on in someone's mind, sometimes even before they've realized it themselves. Capturing the subtle shifts of facial expressions can give you the power of a modern-day mind reader. So, here are 5 face hacks to put you one step ahead of the game. 1. Glancing at the V. We can learn a lot from a simple movement of the eye. A look down from someone's eyes into what's known as the V-shaped range, that extends from the eyes to the midriff, is a well-known marker of attraction. Often it is a no more than an unconscious, fleeting glance, but it is a sure sign that a sexual spark has been ignited. 2. The blinking obvious. People who are uncomfortable blink more than those who are relaxed. The stress that telling a lie can induce is often revealed by an increase in the rate of blinking. Once you know what to look for, it's obvious. The stress doesn't have to be a matter of falsehood, but it's certainly a clue to look out for. 3. Look out for people swallowing their lie. On the subject of fibs, many psychologists argue that there is a tendency to swallow the lie. A subconscious desire to be truthful can lead to not only the tension mentioned above, but also an urge to hide the lie. Covering the mouth with a hand is one sign, a more subtle one is a swallow. A glance to the nearest exit may be another. Liars can't help trying to find ways to hide their sins. 4. Consider learning face reading. Away from individual movements, learning actual face reading techniques is an increasingly popular way of assessing someone's characteristics. It represents a way to read someone's facial features at a glance, based on their overall structure and arrangement. It can take time to learn, but those who use this technique swear by it. The technical term for face reading is physiognomy. 5. A widening of the eyes. Some signals we can't control no matter how we try. If we see something attractive, our pupils automatically dilate. It's as if we greedily want to see more of whatever it is that is appealing to us. Anyone who truly wants to know how to hack into the stream of deep, unconscious, and hidden signals that our faces are giving out needs to study hard. They also need to pay attention to those pupils. For better or for worse, it is through the windows of the eyes that we can truly start to understand those around us.